This is V from the Canadian RV Array. Today we're at the Tampa RV Show for 2024, and we're going to be showing you all the latest Forest River, Georgetown, and Brookshire products. So now this one is the model 36D7, and we'll give you a quick look around with the outside of it. This is a double slide, and we've got the one bedroom slide here. There's not a slide on this side, but we have our big slide, and we'll just give you a tour of all the way around the back. And as we can see, there's one big slide, so it's basically a two-slide unit. So let's go inside and so we're starting now from the driver's side, and we'll give you a shot of the front panel. Done a very nice job of putting a large display on it. The other thing we have is we have our pet window. They've still kept that right down there, so you can see what's going on and when your pet is traveling with you. So let's go back around. We'll go down the driver's side, give you a closer look at the console. There's a leveling system. And now this is on the Ford chassis with the V8 turbocharged engine. Going down the driver's side, this is the one big slide that comes out. They've now put in Thomas Paine furniture. Very nicely done with pull-out drawers. And they lock when they go back. Moving farther back into the main bedroom. The lights are not on here, so I apologize if it's a little bit dark. And a lot of cabinets and storage. A 32-inch TV that's in the bedroom. More drawers with a positive close. And I'm almost thinking that right in here would be probably the washer dryer. Yep. And moving farther back, we're now into the rear of the coach. Nice, roomy. It's got double sinks, which are very nice. Medicine cabinets right there for storage, always nice. More storage right here. And now what they're still doing is putting in a one-piece shower enclosure. They've gone back to this ever since the COVID years. They couldn't get them, but they're back in business now with the one single piece. Give you a shot of the shower area. Again, the sinks are very nice, all into the inlay of the top cabinet here. And let's go back through the coach on the passenger side. So again, what we said here, this is the, looks like a king bed. Did a very nice job, and this is the part that slides out. And what they've done here is they've got some kind of a pocket door that it probably have to release it. Yeah, there we go. And that locks there. Now this is a 2-bathroom coach. This is the guest bathroom, or the front bathroom. Again, nicely laid out. Very spacious. Fantastic fan on the top. With this model, we get a 39-inch TV, a fireplace, more storage, and what they've done now, I can see with the fridge, they've gone to a GE. This is side by side. Big freezer on the bottom. And probably right here they have an inductance. Nope, they've got a 3-burner stove, propane stove, which is really nice. A convection microwave. And right down here, they've got your oven. A lot more drawers here, which is really nice. Single lever faucet with, of course, your sinks.
Side there.
And also what they've got is a part that swings out here. It's very nice there. So again, this is the Georgetown 36. We'll take one more shot outside. Again, just looking outside right now, they do have an outside entertainment system, which is right there. And I can see right there that they've got 4 house batteries that will probably go into an inverter and supply power to the coach. They've got the big bays.
Yeah.
Still using the traditional inside part of where there's the plastic bays.
This one doesn't open?
Then another one, and they're still using the same rotocast bays, which are great indestructible. You can wash them out. They're really nice that way.